So let's dive right into the owners module. If you go to owners, you have two options, all owners and add owners. Now let's try adding an owner first. Before you go to add owner, you should check out your profile here and see if all your details are properly mentioned, especially the entity type, which is very important. In case, for example, you want to change the entity type, these are the entity types you can choose from. For example, in this case, let's say this entity is private limited. So we'll update the entity type. And now let's go to add an owner. Mr. ABCXYZ is, for example, our owner. And the email ID is this. The phone number is, for example, this. And the share percentage is 50. The share class. Now, this is very important uh, for our case. Generally in India, we just have ordinary common shares. That's the reason it is on the top. So you can always choose this option. Then you have the address. For example, this is the address, Bangalore, Karnataka. And then opening balance in case you've been using some other software or till now you're not using our car. Now, whatever is your closing balance in your books, that needs to be entered here. So, for example, let's say you're using car straight up. So, and this person has paid 5 lakh rupees, so 500,000, and then you add owner. This is how the owner gets added. Once you add the owner properly, next time you want to add one more owner, you can add one more owner, and you'll see the details of all the owners here. Now, imagine for this, you have to add funds. I mean, he gives more funds next time someday. So you add funds on the date, the amount of fund he's given. Let's say he gives 300,000 one more time, and you can add description, uh, purchased more shares, and then add funds. Correct? Now you will see all the history of when he paid the initial funds and on what date he paid more funds, and overall how much did he pay, what is the opening balance, what is the share percentage, and everything. That's how you add owners. You want to check all owners, you'll see all the owners out here. In case you want to change his ownership, uh, you can update that out here. So that's about the owners module.